Toto. Kana kaenda nani?
Now, with ICU, we will be able to save some of those lives here in Meru County. So we are continuing to enhance our infrastructural preparedness in the fight against coronavirus. Secondly, we are also preparing ourselves clinically by providing the necessary staff for manning both our renal unit and the ICU unit.